Listeners, in front of you are the Form 4 students at Migukulama Secondary School. I hope you are curious to know where Migukulama Secondary School is located. Migukulama Secondary School is located in Buchosa, Mwanza region. My name is Ramadhani Balele Idama. In front of you, there are others presenters. I would like to welcome them so that they can introduce to you.
My name is Janet Masumuko. I will be the first presenter.
My name is Benedicto Simon Matias. I will be the second presenter.
My name is Legan Philip Francis. I will be the third presenter.
My name is Charles Kiram. I will be a first presenter.
My name is Mohammed Soleh. I will be a fifth presenter.
I would like to give you an introduction about pollution. Pollution is an introduction of unwanted and harmful materials into the environment. But today, we are going to deal with an interesting subtopic known as water pollution. I would like to welcome the first presenter so that can give us a concept about water pollution. Welcome.
Thank you. Pollution is the introduction of harmful substances to the environment. Note that pollutant is the harmful substance in the environment. Types of pollution. In chemistry, there are three types of pollution, which are land pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. By starting with land pollution. Land pollution is the introduction of harmful substances to the land. This can be caused by human activities such as poor agricultural practices, mining activities, and so on. Another is water pollution. Water pollution is the process of adding waste products to the water, for instance, oil spillage. Another is air pollution, is the introduction of harmful substances to the air. This can be caused by smoke, carbon dioxide, and so on. Thanks.
Dear listener, I hope now you have a concept about water pollution. After this session, you were able to know different causes and the detrimental effects as well as sustainable measures to solve challenges associated with water pollution. I would like to welcome the second presenter so that can give us causes of water pollution.
Thanks. Here in front of you, I want to give you the causes of water pollution. First, water pollution is caused by industrial processes. There is a tendency of building industries near lakes, oceans, and seas. The industry produce different wastes. These wastes are disposed into water. Hence, water become polluted. And once water become polluted, cause the aquatic organisms such as fish to die. Second cause is radioactive waste. Industrialized nations dispose of their waste in products in tank and dispose them into ocean. These tanks collide with other substances that are found in the ocean. Once radioactive materials explode, are spread out by ocean currents. These ocean currents cause the spread out of radioactive waste throughout the ocean and cause the aquatic organisms such as fish to die. Third point is heavy metals. Heavy metals such as mercury, arsenic, and lead are very poisonous. Once are introduced into water, water become polluted and accumulate in the bodies of fish. Once we eat that, those fish have been polluted or poisoned by that heavy metals. We also absorb those accumulated ions of heavy metals. These heavy metals are very dangerous to our health. Hence, our health become unhealthier. 6.
Not only that, but there are other causes of water pollution. I would like to welcome the third presenter so that can give us other causes of water pollution.
Yes. The following are other causes of water pollution. First, oil spills. The petroleum products once leak into the water bodies, they form a thin layer on the top of water bodies. This prevents the diffused oxygen to enter into the water bodies, hence cause the death of aquatic organisms, because the oxygen needed by those aquatic organisms is less than normal compared to the oxygen needed by them. Another is domestic wastes. The domestic wastes are the wastes from our homes. Once different types of soap detergents are carried out by water rains into the water bodies, they cause the formation of layers on the top of water bodies, because the soap detergents contain phosphate and nitrates nutrients, which cause the formation of layers on top of water bodies. This results into biological oxygen demand of the rivers, because the oxygen is prevented to enter into the water bodies, hence cause the death of aquatic organisms. Another is fertilizers. Fertilizers contain nutrients of nitrates and phosphates. Once these nutrients are carried away by the water rains into the water bodies, these nutrients support the excessive growth of aquatic plants and algae. This phenomena is known as eutrophication. This can cause biological oxygen demand for the rivers, because the oxygen is prevented to enter into the aquatic animals found in water bodies, hence cause the death of aquatic organisms. Thanks.
When water becomes polluted, there are different detrimental effects can arise in our environment. I would like to welcome the first presenter so that can give us different effects associated with water pollution.
The following are the effects of water pollution. First, it can cause waterborne diseases like cholera and typhoid. This occurs when parasites or pathogens are transmitted through contaminated water. Also, it can cause respiratory infection, vomiting, and diarrhea. Second, nutrient pollution stimulates the growth of algae, which can cause biological oxygen demand to the aquatic organism. Third, it can cause death to the aquatic organism and human beings. This occurs when leaking and spilling chemicals into the water. It can cause death to the aquatic organism. Also, when eating poisonous aquatic organisms like fish, it can cause death to the human being. Fourth, it can cause health problems like cancer. This can be caused with heavy metal like mercury when dumped into water bodies or sinks.
Dear listeners, water pollution has a different detrimental effects, as you have heard the third presenter there has told us different detrimental effects associated with water pollution. So what should we do so that to overcome the effects associated with water pollution? I would like to welcome the last presenter so that can give us sustainable measures to overcome the effects associated with water pollution.
Thanks. The following are the preventive and remedial measures of water pollution. Firstly, all instruments of communication should be used to educate people about the importance of protecting environment. Secondly, radioactive waste should be buried deep in land and not in ocean. Third, no any industries should be allowed to produce non-biodegradable waste. Fourth, control measures should be taken to protect the introduction of heavy metals in water such as lead, arsenic, and so on. Thanks.
Dear viewers, this will be an end of our session. But all in all, you can follow us in different social media such as Facebook and YouTube by the name. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.